Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this cute Christmas holly nail design. So I didn't record it, but I did apply a base coat first, but in the video you can see I'm starting off with my base colors, which are green and then gold. Now I'm just going in with a second coat for the gold. And now for the design, I'm taking this tiny detail brush and I'm going to begin on my ring fingernail with the green, and I'm starting to create the leaves of the holly. And now I'm just going to do the same thing on my ring fingernail, but this time at the tip of the nail. And now to add some dimension, I'm just going to go in with some white over the leaves. Next up, I'm going to take a dotting tool and I'm going to add snow. Now for the berries, I'm going to take this red and the same dotting tool. As you can see here, I didn't really like how the white turned out for the dimension, so I went over it with green, and then next I went back in and I did a thinner strand of the white nail polish. And now for the dimension of the berries, I'm just going to add a little bit of white to make it appear that there's like a light shining off of them. And now to seal it all in, I'm adding a quick dry top coat. Unfortunately, my camera went out of focus here. And lastly, for the final touches of the design, I'm adding a matte top coat. Well, that is all, guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video, and comment down below any designs you want to see in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.